Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the most refined picks in home and lifestyle products. Today, we're talking about the best large round glass vase you can get your hands on. The Craft and Party Glass Bubble Vase. If you're into home decor, floristry, or even DIY terrariums, this one's going to check all your boxes. Let's get into why this is more than just a glass bowl. Right off the bat, what sets this vase apart is its size and shape. At 7.8 inches tall and 10 inches wide, it's not just a small tabletop item. It's a centerpiece. This kind of scale gives you the freedom to be bold with your design choices. Whether you're creating a stunning floral arrangement for a wedding or crafting a peaceful succulent terrarium for your living room, this bubble bowl gives you the space to think big. Crafted from high-quality transparent glass, the vase brings a sense of clarity and elegance. Unlike some cheaper glassware that may have imperfections or cloudiness, this vase maintains a crystal-clear finish. That makes your arrangements pop. Whether it's vibrant roses or layered moss and stones. The clarity of the glass also enhances the visual depth of your arrangement, giving it a premium, gallery-like look. The design is beautifully versatile. Its round, bulbous shape blends effortlessly into any setting. Rustic farmhouse, minimalist modern, boho chic. You can fill it with floating candles for an ambient dinner centerpiece or layer it with sand, shells, and air plants for a coastal vibe. This isn't just for the home. It works brilliantly for events like weddings, baby showers, and corporate banquets. And if you're into seasonal decor, this vase transforms easily with themes. Pine cones and fairy lights in winter. Lemons and eucalyptus in summer. What makes this product even more appealing is its multi-purpose use. It's not labeled strictly as a vase or a terrarium bowl. It adapts to your creativity. You want a fish bowl for a themed party? This works. You need a dessert centerpiece to hold floating mini cupcakes at a baby shower? You can do that too. It's a blank canvas, and that's the real power of its design. Another advantage is that you can get it in different quantities. Sets of 1, 4, or 6. So whether you're decorating a single shelf or setting up a dozen tables, you can scale up easily without compromising consistency. Each piece maintains the same quality and dimensions, so your event styling stays uniform. This product is also offered by a small business brand, which is a great bonus if you prefer to support independent sellers. It feels good knowing your purchase is encouraging craftsmanship and entrepreneurship. One thing to note, currently, this item may not be eligible for international shipping to all locations, including India. So make sure to check the delivery options before adding to your cart. But if you are in a region where it's available, the value it offers is well worth the click. To sum it all up, the Craft and Party Glass Bubble Vase is not just a container. It's a foundation for creative expression. With its large, elegant design, durable build, and limitless versatility, it earns its spot as the best large round glass vase on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this vase fits your vision, check the link in the description and bring your next event or space to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns, right here on Product Critique.